Hello friends of YouTube! I am coming at you from the Starbucks drive-thru. I don't know if you can see me, so this is a test take. Here we go. We're about to find out. Okay, I think this is gonna work. Yes, I'm coming at you from the Starbucks drive-thru. As you can see by this light, it is the afternoon. I'm heading to Wonderland. Today is Victoria Day here in Canada, which means we do fireworks and drinking and things. A lot of people are at the cottage this weekend, so you would expect that the park would be a little bit less busy, but somehow there's still enough people in the province that the park's actually more busy. So I didn't go today during the day because, whoa, this is not gonna work out well, is it? I'm pretty sure this is illegal also, but whatever, we'll figure it out. I didn't go during the day because I feel like when I go there and it's super busy and I still want to go on the rides I want to go on, I end up buying a fast pass, and that's a waste of money. I have a season pass. I should just go when it's quiet. So I'm going as the sun is setting in hopes that I am getting there when at least some of the crowds are leaving, because not everybody always stays for the fireworks. Some people come just for the fireworks though, so who knows. That said, I'm super pumped. I'm gonna film the fireworks. I'm really excited. I'm hopefully gonna have enough time to go on at least a couple of my favorite flat rides before the park closes. I still haven't actually tried the new flat rides. I know that makes me a bad fan, but I will hopefully get on them tonight. We're gonna just make it a chill, relaxing kind of night. Not a lot of pressure to go on a bunch of coasters and stuff like that. We'll see how much time I have for all of this and if I'm in the mood for filming or riding when I get there. I like to just play it by ear. Yes, I want subscribers. Yes, I want likes. Yes, I want views. Yes, I want to monetize my channel someday. But at the end of the day, I'm doing all of this for me, and I'm doing all of this because I have fun doing it. So yeah, whatever feels like it's going to be fun is what I'm going to do. But I will guarantee you that I'm at least going to film the fireworks for you guys, because that is a show that they put on every year and it's super worth seeing. And I'm excited that I'm going there for that tonight. So I spent the day doing a little bit of family time stuff and spent some time with my pup because he's family too. And long weekends are all about spending it with the people that you love. But nobody wanted to come to Wonderland with me, and I still wanted to fucking go, so here I go. But yeah, I'm glad you guys are coming with me, and I'm glad that I can take you guys wherever I go. So I kind of feel like I never have to go anywhere alone now. That's the cool thing about this YouTube channel is, as I've started getting people commenting and people sharing their own stories with me, it's like I kind of have a community here, and I kind of have a group of friends here that I didn't realize that I could have. So yeah, this is a lot of fun. Thanks for coming with me if you watch this, or if not, please drop a like anyways, because it'll help me out. But I plan on having a super fun evening, and yeah, I don't know, I'm just rambling now, so here we go. So first thoughts on arriving to the park. It's mental here. This is definitely the busiest year that I've ever come for the fireworks here. This is going to be insanity. I may not even go on any rides after all, because I can't handle the lines and the people. I don't have the patience. But yeah, here we go. This is by far the furthest I've ever parked. This better be the best fireworks show ever. They've already got their chairs out and they've reserved their spots. I think that's freaking awesome. Okay, I knew it was going to be busy, but I wasn't ready for this. This might be the only line I stand in all night. Oh wait, I might stand in this line too tonight. You never know. It looks like they're trying to get the upper fountains working. See if I can get a little closer for you guys. See, there's definitely water coming out of them, but they're not as impressive as they were when they first refurbished them and got them running. So this is new. There's a selfie pic stand. That's kind of fun. This is the most Canadian line in the park. Well, not really. It's owned by Burger King these days. I boycotted Tim Hortons when Burger King bought them. But I can't blame these people for waiting for a hot coffee. It's getting a little chilly out. And these ones are waiting for dinner. Holy, the lines are insane. I'm gonna go see if the ride lines are as bad. They might not be as bad. If everybody's eating, I'm gonna be riding. Fun fact about Wonder Mountain, they still do diving shows off those ledges at the top. However, they used to do shows where the divers would actually climb up the sides of the mountains. So I don't know if you can see the little rock climbing holes there, but that's what those were for. You also used to be able to walk up there and do a tour at the top. It was kind of cool. Oh yeah, even the Clockworks line is long. What the heck? So right here by Vortex, we have the viewing area. You can see people are already reserving their spots. So this is the shortest food line in the park at present. Nobody at the Mountainside Bakery. First ride of the night is going to be the Orbiter because it has the shortest line that I've seen so far. Super fun and worth it, but it took a lot longer than expected, so I think I'm just gonna go towards Funnel Cake at this point and then find a spot to set up my tripods for the fireworks. I'm excited. You guys, this is the Funnel Cake line. Okay, so maybe Funnel Cake, maybe I'll literally come back like on Tuesday for Funnel Cake and get my fix done. I'm gonna go reserve a spot for my tripods is what I'm gonna do. We will save my cheat day for later. This poutine truck was definitely not here last time I was here. And it also has a lineup, what do you know? All the food has all the lines. Okay, even the Starbucks line is pure insanity. I came completely unprepared for this. gonna take me at least an hour just to get out of the parking lot, so wish me luck. All the people that can't find their cars. It's right there! Fucking all of them. I found mine, no problem. Y'all need to take a picture of where you parked. That's hilarious. Woo! Okay, the mayhem is over. Well, not quite. I still have to get out of the parking lot. Wish me luck. I think I'm gonna chill here for a couple of minutes because there's no point in rushing. It is literally bumper to bumper just to get out of the parking lot. So that was a crazy night. I got on one ride because it broke down while I was in the line, so I ended up waiting ridiculously long for the shortest line in the park. But that's okay. I got my video of the fireworks. If there was anywhere that I was gonna see my last ever Victoria Day fireworks, this was the place I wanted to be, so I'm really glad I did that before I left the country. And I got a video of it so that you guys could have joined me, and I hope you did. So if you made it this far, if you watched the video, please drop me a like. I really appreciate it. And please continue to watch. You can watch more Wonderland footage even after I move. I promise you there's going to be more Wonderland videos, so please stay tuned, subscribe for that. But there's also going to be more videos just of my journey of my moving to the Caribbean and all of the crazy experiences that I have when I get there. So yeah, like, subscribe, drop a comment if you have any questions or want to reminisce with me about how insane it was here tonight. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Update. It has been 32 minutes and I've moved roughly 6 car lengths in a U-shaped direction because I thought I was gonna go that way, which is the way that I truly need to exit. Right over there is the highway. However, as you can see, the cause for the traffic is actually that they blocked off that direction. So here comes a whole bunch of people following the signs that say exit, but turns out they're forcing us all out of a different exit. And you can only use that exit if you parked on that side of the parking lot, which is really stupid because now not only am I waiting probably another 30 minutes just to get out of here, but also I'm not even going in the direction that I want to go. So it's going to take me even longer once I get the hell out of the parking lot. Wonderland, you need to sort this out. Okay, it took 50 minutes, as in 50, but I'm officially on the main road where I will probably sit for the next 20 minutes or so.